going on, guys? This is Fear Gaming or Zach Layford. This is like my first video for this gaming channel. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the CRYOLATor at like level 2. So yeah, like once you leave the vault, you meet dog meat. You can get him to come with you to the vault, and you can get him to actually get the CRYOLATor. This glitch will work sometimes, and it may not work for you, but I don't know, they may have patched it. I actually have no idea. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's see if this works. So, you want to bring dog meat to the vault, and you want to talk to him. And you want to go fetch. You want to go. And the thing you want to push is items.
Just like that.
And that's how it works. And you go to trade things with him, and he should have it. What was that? Yeah, he's got the. No, yeah, that's there it is. So there's the CRYOLATor. Like that. Yeah, straight out of the vault. So you.
Oh, and he's also got the cell phone too.
Yeah, you can also have the CRYOLATor cells as well for ammo. Yeah, he always has it. So if you like this video, give it a like. Maybe I have no idea how many subscribers would want to subscribe this, but if you like the video, please subscribe.